Right now, your standard AI architecture is hitting a hard ceiling. For complex cross-document reasoning, the simple similarity search we've relied on is reaching its limit. When your systems can't bridge the gaps between disconnected data points, they become outdated faster than the industry can keep up. At Let's Decode Together, we transform these high-level architectural shifts into your personal competitive advantage. The systems of today fail when they are asked to synthesize information from dozens of sources at once. They hallucinate because they lack the structural framework to actually see the whole picture. These failures represent a specific engineering gap. We are launching a 12-part series designed to turn those hallucinations into reliable, structured intelligence. We focus on building and breaking the systems ourselves, rather than just reading the theory. We are moving past the limitations of current search and charting a path to the engineering standards of 2026. You will deploy your first working GraphRAG pipeline in 15 minutes, no PhD required. You will slash your system's hallucination rates by 25 to 50%. And you will finally unlock the ability to answer the complex, multi-hop questions that leave standard search in the dark. The performance shift is already being documented. Microsoft's GraphRAG 2.0 benchmarks recently demonstrated a 40% jump in accuracy, proving the sheer scale of the opportunity for those who move first. This is your path from zero to production engineering, mapped across 4 distinct phases of the graph lifecycle. We start with the graph mindset and defining the core problem, then move into core builds and optimization strategies, stress test the architecture against legal, medical, and financial data, and finish with the future of agentic multimodal integration. Before we start the first build, tell me your biggest bottleneck in the comments. Is it hallucinations, multi-hop complexity, cloud costs, or just getting the system into production? There is a specific $50,000 hallucination in a recent enterprise build that could have been avoided with a single design choice. We're going to look at exactly what went wrong in the first episode. Click the link for Why Your AI Keeps Forgetting to find out why. This roadmap will change how you engineer intelligence. So let's decode together.